Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Islamic Kids Art. We're gonna draw today a hijabi girl. Okay?
But not the body.
Not the body, just the head and the hijab, the main attraction. Clean sheet, here we go. Okay, so let's start the drawing. Bismillah. Alright, so we're gonna do the shape of the face. Okay, so it's like a U shape. Okay, yeah, get it even on the top. Looks great. Okay, and then now we're gonna do the like a forehead, top of the scarf, hijab. So like a little curve, a little bit, almost like a triangle, but a rounder edge. Okay, looks great, great. Okay, make sure no hair showing, right?
Where?
Try in the middle, near a little bit down, maybe. Yeah,
Here?
yeah, that looks good. A little button nose. We're doing the emoji. Okay, and then let's do the lips. Maybe it looks a little like this, almost like a bird. And down, up. And then let's do the inside of the mouth, so it's like a little curve. Yes. Nice. And then the bottom lip. A little bit skinnier, yeah. Nice. Like this. Like a U shape. Okay, and then we're gonna do on this side. Okay. And then we're gonna do the eyebrows. Oh, you're doing eyelashes? Okay, go for it. Maybe I'll do some. Hold on. Is that how it works? Like this? Like this? Like this? Do the eyebrows? Just like a line around. Okay. Okay. In the real emoji, the eyes are open, but we shouldn't draw eyes open, so we'll just leave it closed. It's better, okay? We're gonna draw two lines on the side here, which is like the fold of the hijab, so like connected from here up. Like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's a hijab. What did you do on the right side? This side here? Okay, perfect. Alright, so now we're gonna do the big circle. So don't panic because it's just a cloth. So cloths are not perfect circles. So we're gonna do from the chin up to the top of the head into the middle, okay? Don't worry, don't worry. So a little bit skinnier from the bottom, a little tighter, and then looser around.
Here?
A little higher up maybe. Yeah, from there, yeah. And then remember it kind of goes out bigger. Yeah, go with the flow, go with the flow. And then stop in the middle. Yeah. Yep. Just to give your hand a break, okay? And then after, when you come around, we're gonna go around, like not yet. Wait, like around this thing, around, and then right back to the chin. Okay, just watch me, okay? You see, so I curved it and then back to the chin. So go around and then back onto her chin. Nice. So I'm gonna do one like from here, maybe a little up like this, like that, just from here. Just up. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna do another fold from here, like this. Just another line in between. Yeah, like just right here, just a little wrinkle. Yeah, that's it. Okay, we're gonna do another wrinkle, so like this. So right here, see this U shape? Like, so from the cheek, but like not from the cheek, but like here, lift up. From cheek, go down here, and then start there, and then come around to the other side of her head a little bit, or her neck. Yep, that's it. Go straight down. I want to go around right to here. So from that side, yep, and then it's kind of like a maze, you know, like here, around it, up until there. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Wait, stop. From here, like this. From the top, I started right there. Yep. And then down towards the middle. Yep. And we're gonna just connect this one. Like that. A curve. Or a straight line, doesn't matter. And then now we'll do her shoulder. Just out. Yep, out, yep. Okay, and then we're gonna just curve it down. Okay, and then we're gonna just draw some sleeves. That's another wrinkle from the hijab, just curve down. Down, yep. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other shoulder. So we're gonna go here, and then down. And then down, that's the rest of her shoulder, yeah. Perfect. Wrap it around. Let's see, from the middle. From the middle, slanted down. Yep. So we're gonna draw another wrinkle from here down. And then here's a button. Just do a straight line down. From there, just straight down. And then a little button. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna color it in, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We just finished coloring our two hijabis. You guys can do any color, right? Any color, your favorite color. Green. You can put some designs on it.
You could do
And
gray.
yeah, color any way you want. You could do gray.
You could do black.
Okay. Yeah, you do black hijab. Yeah, that's a common color too for hijab. It's always good to start wearing your hijab when you're young. Doesn't matter where you are, how old you are. It's good to practice. When did you start wearing yours? Do you remember?
I think
Like a little baby?
3 years old.
Yeah, it's good practice. But then when you get older, how do you feel now? It feels normal?
Yeah. It's easy. It's like part of your skin.
Yeah, easy, and it's very beautiful. You feel more comfortable in it when you practice wearing it. If there's any brothers drawing it, you could draw it for your sister, the picture, and give it to her as a present and say, oh, look, this is you. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like the video, share the video. We'll see you guys next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Say bye.